Sound, we have Lord of the Sun, that's the begin of Royal Pair, moving a party outside, Sailor King, Lucky Lord Key, then comes and join the flight, Paminsan, Minsan, then followed by Doña Beranshan, Dare to Dream, is the early thriller, Paminsan, Minsan, Sailor King, down on the inside now is Lord of the Sun, Lord of the Sun, Paminsan, Minsan is on the outside, Alang back into the Royal Fair, Sailor King is racing in port, then comes Enjoy the Flight and Paper, Doña Beranshan, Lucky Lorky, and Dare to Dream, Paminsan, Minsan, Baya Baralenga, Lord of the Sun is right behind in second, 3 lengths away into the Royal Fair, then comes Enjoy the Flight in port, Doña Beranshan, Lucky Lorky, now moving up by the rail, and so as we Dare to Dream and Sailor King, Paminsan, Minsan, Baya Baralenga, then trying to get closer now on the outside is Lord of the Sun, racing into the Royal Pair, Lucky Lorky, moving up by the to take third, Dare to Dream is racing in Pipa, Paminsan, Minsan, Lord of the Sun is on the outside, Lucky Lorky now coming closer in third, then comes Royal Fair and Dare to Dream, Lord of the Sun takes the lead, Paminsan, Minsan, down on the inside now is Lucky Lorky, Lord of the Sun followed by Lucky Lorky, down on the inside, Lucky Lorky moves up and nearing the finish line, Lucky Lorky, Lord of the Sun, Paminsan, Minsan, Royal Fair, Dare to Dream.
51827. So it was Lucky Lorky with Francis A. Tuason